Why does your scanner show the P2534 engine code? What does it mean? P2534 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition switch run or start position circuit low. This engine code indicates the input reference voltage from the ignition switch run position circuit falls below the manufacturer's recommended minimum voltage. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty ignition switch, damaged wiring, blown fuse, battery issues, poor connections, faulty fuel pump control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is most commonly found in European cars like Volkswagen, Audi, and BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.